Hi guys, welcome back. So again we are on our administrative tool. The third app I want us to look at under administrative tool is how to append our signature digitally or electronically. In this digital evolution, we find ourselves signing documents here and there. The traditional form, we would have the hard copy signed, scan and send them across. If it has to be signed by multiple people, we'll keep doing that until it's sorted. But with a tool that has an app, we can easily download an app that can get our signatures digitized such that we can put them electronically on documents without having to drop or repeat them. There are quite some few apps that can help us to do that, but I would be interested in just one for us to be using for now. We have DocuSign, we have Sign Simple, we have Signdoc. I am going for the Signdoc. The Signdoc can easily let us generate our signature electronically and sign. There are so many digital guys or IT guys who are running this as service for people. They will tell you they want to put your signature on digital one and they charge you a whole lot of money. But if you know this, you don't need anybody to take your money as much as it is. Let's go to App Store. Look for Signdoc. So we search Signdoc, and then it comes with an orange signature like with a pen by it. When we see it, we install it, and when it's done, we'll come to open. Now you will have to agree to certain agreements. You have to agree to the conditions. Okay. Alright, so basically this is trying to take us through what we need to do and what not to. So the whole thing should open this way for you. Now it will expect you to add your signature to an existing document. So we'll go down to the plus sign on the right down corner, and then we go to alright, so we click on the plus sign. We have select PDF. We all know what are PDF documents. Select documents. They can be Word documents, multiple image, gallery, and camera and all that. So let's say we want to pen the signature on an image. So we click on the image and then we choose an image. So I want to pen a signature on this image. Maybe we did not get it right. Let's just take it again. So we go to the plus sign and then we pen we look for where we want to. So I'm looking at penning an image on a document, a signature on an image, sorry. So we click on that. It takes me to a folder. Okay, so now there are so many images here, so I'm choosing the first one. Just click on it, and you click on it. This is the screen that comes. It will say that image, and then I say add signature. Okay, so you click on add signature. Then there are options here. It says draw signature, scan your signature, or import from gallery. Now the draw signature means that we are going to use our phone to draw the signature and generate it once and for all. To scan your signature is basically that you have the signature signed on the paper and then you want to what? Scan it. Because not so many people are very good in writing on the phone. And then we have import from gallery. It means you probably may have it already signed on the paper and you want to import it from gallery. But hey, we are doing everything digital, so why don't we use the draw signature once and for all? So if you want to use the draw signature, what else you use? It means you use your phone screen, then you go to draw signature. Then the screen turns in a rectangular form, expecting you to sign. So if I have to sign, then I go this way. Okay, so I said save sign. So you see the signature is on it. Now I can drag the signature anywhere I want. I can also minimize it. You get it? Then if this is how I want it, I go to save. Then it's saved in my document. If I want to share it, have you seen the share sign? Click here. Then you can share email to share email, PDF file, image size. So these are the means that you can share your document. Or you want to save it to the phone, you can always save it to the phone.